So this is image number 33, and I wanted to use it just to illustrate kind of thinking outside the box. There's a great big lump of image missing from the top of this, and we could be really brutal and just use the crop tool and crop tight in on the subject, but let's not do that. Let's think of a way of filling this huge empty white space. Now you can copy from absolutely anywhere in Affinity Photo. You might even have another photograph open and copy from that, because you can make you can select a point on one image, swap to a different image, and copy away, and it'll copy quite happily from one to the other. In this particular instance, what we have here, of course, is a symmetrical frame with this guy in this guy's picture appearing in an aperture in the middle of it. So there's nothing to stop us from actually copying the bottom section of the frame, revolving it through 180 degrees, and popping it in at the top of the image. So let's just have a little go at that. So first of all, as ever, we'll add a levels adjustment layer and just tighten up the tones a bit. I think that'll do me. Okay, and I'm going to merge this so that I only have one layer in the layers palette. Then I'm going to pick up the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection of the bottom quarter or so of the image, and then press Command J to duplicate it onto a separate layer. Okay, just going to deselect that now, and then I'm going to pick up the Move tool, go to the Arrange menu and rotate 90 degrees clockwise and rotate 90 degrees clockwise to pull it round through 180 degrees, and then just drag it up the image. Whoops, not too far. Zoom in simply so that I can find the point at which that edge meets that edge and this edge meets this edge. Which is about there, I would say. Good, okay. So now I need to punch a hole through this top layer section just to expose the lower layer through this section here. So I'm going to pick up the magic wand. They don't call it the magic wand, of course, they call it something else, and I've forgotten what. So we pick up the tool that looks like a magic wand, flood selection tool, that's the one, and click. This has gone a bit mad, so my tolerance at 20% is picking up some of the white here, which I don't, or pale grey here, which I don't want to do. So we'll deselect that, Command D, and we'll try a lower tolerance. Let's try 10%, see how we get on. Okay, well that's better. So I'm just going to click on the Add button here. And just click about. I think that would do. And then hit the Delete key and deselect. Now I think there may be a few tiny dots. You can see one there, one there, one there, and obviously we can just pick up the Erase tool and just tidy that up. And I haven't been absolutely precise because there's a little bit of black there, but using the techniques that you've already explored, you can fix it. So there we are, finished subject. Got a little missing corner here, so we'll go to the Layers menu, Merge Visible, so that I'm only working on one layer, and then I can pick up our friend, the In-Painting brush tool. Oh, come on. And just paint over that, like so. Job done.